If you've been searching for real AI side hustles that actually make money, not hype, not clickbait, then listen closely. Because today, I'm revealing 21 AI tools people are using right now to make $100 a day or more, even from their bedrooms, phones, and cheap laptop. No degree, no fancy setup, just smart tools plus consistent action. Let's get straight in. 1. ChatGPT, your writing assistant. Use it to write blog posts, emails, add scripts, and YouTube content for clients. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and sell AI-powered writing services starting at $20 per order. 2. Canva Magic Studio. Create logos, social posts, ebook covers in seconds. Sell templates on Etsy or Gumroad. 3. Leonardo AI. Generate high-end illustrations or cartoon-style art. Sell as posters, t-shirts, or digital downloads. 4. 11 Labs. Turn text into ultra-realistic voiceovers. Sell voice narration for YouTube channels and businesses. 5. HeyGen. Upload your script. Get a talking AI presenter video. Offer faceless video creation for clients. 6. Opus Clip. Turn long videos into viral shorts with captions. Content creators will pay for this service. 7. Durable.co. Make business websites in 30 seconds. Sell websites for $100 to $300 each. 8. Gamma.app. Auto-build pitch decks or presentations. Offer AI-powered pitch deck creation services. 9. CapCut Plus AI Effects. Edit shorts with trending captions and motion effects. Sell TikTok or Reel editing packages. 10. Remove.bg and Cleanup.pictures. Instant background and object removal. Great for e-commerce sellers. 11. Notion AI. Sell AI-organized life dashboards or business planners on Etsy. 12. vidIQ a TubeBuddy with ChatGPT. Do AI keyword research and sell YouTube SEO services. 13. Soundraw.io. Create AI music tracks. Sell background music or license-free beats. 14. Gumroad Plus AI. Create simple digital products using AI and sell instantly. 15. Copy.ai a Jasper. Offer AI ad copywriting for small businesses. 16. Midjourney. Create AI characters, wallpapers, patterns. Sell as downloads or merch. 17. Teller.tv. Record AI-enhanced screen tutorials. Sell video guides or courses. 18. Mubit. Generate AI background music for streamers. Sell monthly packs. 19. Flicky. Turn blog posts into videos automatically. Offer blog-to-video service. 20. WriterZen. Keyword plus content research tool. Sell SEO-optimized blog writing. 21. Taskade. Offer planning plus automation services using AI workflow setup. You don't need to master all 21 tools. Pick one, offer a simple service, get paid, then scale. AI doesn't replace hard work, it replaces slow work. If this list fired you up, subscribe, because in the next video, I'll pick one tool and show you exactly how to turn it into $100 per day. Your AI journey starts now. Let's build.